Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GardenArcX. So in this episode, I'm going to review my Anthurium plants, and this will not be just a review video of these plants. This will be a special video because I'm going to launch some actual products for you, which is merging with these Anthurium plants. So I have been designing a lot of collections because I'm a designer, and I'm designing the actual cardigan and jumper products based on these Anthurium plants leaves specially, and you can see in this video description as well. So there will be showing some of the collections. So a few years back I have just started with only one Anthurium over here, and this is what I have grown in just 1 year. I'm also going to explain little bit over here, so you also can understand that how many products so far we have designed and developed and also brought to this marketplace for you. So you can see some collection number 1 and 2 is totally based on this my Anthurium plants. So there is Anthurium Magnificum, there is Anthurium dark leaf version as well. So some colors still available in the in our store, so you can just check this out. And there's only one size available, which is medium size M. You can definitely try this out. There are a lot of Anthurium plants. It's really encouraging me to make more Anthurium collections. So if you are a plant lover, I believe you should have one Anthurium in your collection. You can see the patterns over here because here multiple shades of leaves you can find it out. So I'm going to take you through a little bit because so you will understand that what are these will be it for. Like this is more dark one, this is more darkish leaf. So this one is more older, so is having like is more getting darker and is having more age in terms of Anthurium age. We are also going to talk about the colors. So if this is going to be a dark, very dark, that means this is not only older, this is also very healthy and happy leaf. And because there is a lot of shades also, that doesn't mean other shades are unhappy leaves. Will be so silly because this one is looking very fresh, newly grown, very bright and velvety touch. And this one a little bit greenish shade over here because this one fresh and this one is 2 months old, that's why. And this is a little darker because this one more agey. And this one over here I can see its leaves is started I mean it can be sunburned, but I believe this is for damage, internal damage. The leaf is having more age and it's now started dying. Maybe someday I have to cut it off because this is no point to keep, but I'm not removing it right now because it only have 2 vines, so I'll just keep it for the moment. There's a little face, you can see the frame is like this. It's really looking very nice. I'll really seek for your comments below in this video, so you can also share your thought about my small collections, that how it looks to you, and how you can judge my effort of this 1.5 years to regrow them and multiply them a lot. There's a lot of videos you can see in this videos I button also, that how I have successfully done this with the stem cutting propagation, and I have successfully done the pollination process to make them multiply. So this is what based on my collection. I'm not just stopping myself on Anthurium. I'm a huge fan of the Oxalis Triangularis plant. So based on that plant I have also started preparing collection that also you can see in these videos, and you can review my sites as well, so you can understand fully that how the products. Thank you so much guys for watching GardenArc videos. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, and if you are old to this channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you so much. See you in next videos. Bye.